What's this? This is a semicircle. 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 I'm really happy.
Ayu, she'll teach you things, she'll play with you, and Gigi loves you too. Yay!
Oh, hello everyone! How are you feeling today? Hi Gigi, how are you feeling today? You okay? I'm really happy because today we're going to dig into this slime and find something. But what? We're going to find some shapes like this one. Let's start. What's this? It is a rectangle. 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 What's this? This is a hexagon. 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 What's this? This is a pentagon. 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 What's this? This is a triangle. 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 Wow, what's this? This is a star. 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 What's this? This is a trapezoid. 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 What's this? This is a semicircle. 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 Woo! What's this? This is an oval. 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 What's this? This is a circle. 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 What's this? This is a heart. 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 What's this? This is a square. 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 Let's find all the shapes again. The pentagon. Pentagon. The star. Star. Heart. Heart. Oval. Oval. Circle. Circle. The square. Square. The semicircle. Semicircle. Trapezoid. Trapezoid. Rectangle. Rectangle. Triangle. Triangle. Hexagon. Hexagon. We have the pentagon, the star, the heart, the oval, the circle, the square, the semicircle, the trapezoid, the rectangle, the triangle, and the hexagon. Good job, everyone!
And don't forget, be kind, wash your hands, eat healthy. You are beautiful.